Here's how we can use Pro Mode on a Motorola Moto G56. So let's open the camera. In order to find the Pro Mode, over here we can just tap here on this Pro text. And compared to the default photo mode, we have some additional options in the Pro Mode, such as these parameters. So let me quickly explain what they do. So for example, over here we have the AF, which is autofocus. Autofocus, or focus in general, allows you to set exactly what should be sharp in your photo. We can move left and right in order to adjust the focus. The more on left side it is, then it more focuses on small subjects, but if we move to the right, then it will focus in general on bigger subjects. Of course, we can move all the way to the left in order to set it back to automatic. WB is the white balance, and it adjusts the color temperature, so whites look white and the colors look natural. Here as well, we can move left and right in order to adjust it, like this. Then we have the shutter speed, which decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speeds let in more light, which is good for night shots, but it can blur motion. And fast speeds freeze action instead. ISO is an option that allows you to control how sensitive the sensor is to light. A low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and a higher ISO helps in low light conditions, but too high ISO can add grain or noise to your photos. And finally, there is also exposure, where we can move left and right in order to, generally speaking, make photos brighter or darker. And this is the only option that is not automatic, where we can adjust it manually and only manually. So this is how it looks like. This is how the Pro Mode works in general. Of course, we also have some additional options over here, which most of them are also accessible in the standard photo mode over here, but there is one difference, and that is the format, because over here we can turn on the RAW format, which is especially useful for photo editing, and we can also save it in both JPG and RAW format if you want to. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.